Hello everybody. This is OptionsMastery here. Sorry, it's been a while since I posted. I recently moved states. Currently here we have Lululemon Athletica Incorporated, ticker symbol LULU, on the weekly time frame. In a moment here, I will explain to you why I think that Lululemon would be a good call leap option or a good area to potentially look to dollar cost average into. Okay, so we have a couple scenarios here that you could wait for. I'll give you the first one where I think that it would be a very smart idea to buy today, July 3rd at the close. Remember, this is a longer term play. Leap options are rather expensive, especially on a stock this expensive, but I'm going to go ahead and give it to you anyway. So we're on the weekly time frame and we look at the Heikin Ashis and we see that we are currently sitting at a support zone from August of 2024. And when you come back to the regular candlesticks here, you will see that this week we are more than likely going to be closing above the high of last week. Now, we probably won't have as much volume, but you got to remember that market is closed tomorrow, July 4th, so I will give this one a pass. Usually I want to see more volume on my intra candle, but that's okay. Especially if we close rather strong today, I would definitely be convinced that we're going to go up in the mid to long term on Lululemon. Now, the second scenario is that we are forming potentially a nice little trend line here, something like this here. Okay, so if you want to be safe, you could potentially wait for a breakout of this upper trend line right here. Now remember, the more touches the better before the break. So if we come up here and then we reject again and then we break out with a strong price action candle with valid volume, then that would be a really good buy signal as well. Or you could try to get in a little bit early down here. Today at the close is what I recommend. Now in terms of price targets, what I would look for, I would look to take profits potentially here at 340.25, 423.32, and then all the way up here at all-time highs at 516.39. So it would look something like this on the weekly time frame. So again, if you enter here today at the close for leap option calls or dollar cost averaging, I would potentially look to scale out a third of your position at each one of these lines. Okay, these lines are what we call profit targets. All right. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this helped you out a lot. I will be starting to post a lot more here now that I am settled back down. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day and happy July 4th for tomorrow. And God bless you. Bye-bye.